Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to add a legend to a map using ArcGIS and format the legend, like doing basic formatting on it. Now we already have ArcGIS open, and here you have an example of a map which shows the proportion of residents who rent houses or apartments in New Hampshire, and you want to add a legend so people can have more information on the map. Here down you have Hillsborough County and Stratford counties. Those counties have the highest proportion of people who rent houses or apartments, and you want to have the number on the legend. Now what do? You go to Insert, which is here, and you hit Legend. A new window comes up. Notice here the legend item and the map layers. The map layers is here, and you have the legend items here that have the same information. If you have more than one line on the legend items that you want to remove, you could use this arrow and remove it, but since that's what we want, we leave it where it is. And then you hit Next. It will show you what to do next, and here you can center the legend and give it a name if you want, or you can leave it as legend. I'm gonna just call it now proportion of rent, just for the sake of this video. And then next, you finish. Now you have the legend here. Let me try to maximize it so you can see better. Now this is the legend, but it doesn't look too nice because, first of all, below proportion of rent you have a number, New Hampshire County and percent rent. It doesn't look too good. And here you might see the numbers are not too clear. These are proportion, like the percentage, like from 20.84% to 23.18%, but those extra decimal numbers are not needed on the legend. Now how do we fix that? First, you can do two things to open the windows to do that. You can double click here, you have the legend properties, or you can right click and go to properties, and it will give you the same information. Now you go to style, the style button here, and here it gives you all the options of different legend. This is the current preview of what we have, and now you hit different legend to see how it will look like. I'm just gonna take this one because it doesn't have the extra lines that I do not want, and I click it here and hit OK and hit apply and or OK. Here we go. We have the new legend box with only proportion of rent without any other line. It looks a little bit better, but we're not done. We want to remove the extra zeros or the extra decimal numbers. What we do, we go to the layer section on the left of the screen, and you right click and here click properties. You can do it the other way as well. You can double click on the New Hampshire County here. It would give you the same information. Once you're here, what you do, you go to symbology. That's where you have the information that you want, and below here you see label. You click on label, and then you click format label. It gives you a new little window. Here you see number 6. You want 2 decimal number only after. You don't want more than 2, so you can say 23.6. If you want 1 decimal number, that's fine as well. Let's have 1 decimal number after. And now you hit OK. Here you go. You have all the percentages without all the zeros that's on the left side here, for example. You don't have it here anymore. Now you click OK, and here you go. With this, you have a nice legend without all the extra numbers and without the extra lines on the legend section. I hope this helps, and stay tuned for more information on how to use ArcGIS. Thank you.